everyone, my name's Tony and today I'm so excited because I have got a brand new camera to share with you guys and I can't wait to use it. And the best part is it fits in one hand, it's so lightweight. It is the pig camera. I'm so excited. So we've got Demi and James again modelling today and we're just going to check this out. I've not even turned it on yet, I don't even know what happens, so let's crack on. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to get you guys nice and close together there. Demi, I'm going to pop you on this side if that's all right. Just nice bit of overexposedness. I'm just wanting to touch the screen so I can change it all. That's just going to look dreadful. I'm just going to take it anyway. Yeah, nice little knife. Amazing. I don't even know if it's actually straight. It's not straight. Can I bring you guys over here? This is ridiculous. It's so bad. So if you guys just face each other, the one thing that I feel like it might be good for is a little bit of lens flare. So you guys just looking towards each other. Obviously now I want a bit of lens flare, the sun goes in. Always handy. Maybe we'll go for a silhouette instead. Oh, maybe. Just a little bit of separation, guys. There's definitely no image stabilisation in this. Just looking towards each other. Oh God, these are going to be awful. There we go. Right, I think we're going to have a little wander around down here. Oh, it's back again. I can't even see anything. There we go. In fact, guys, do you want to just switch places? Well, over the show. That's perfect. Yeah, the sun's gone again. Has it gone or not? Who knows? I literally can't see a thing. Here we go. I think the noise is the best bit. It should make an oink, shouldn't it, when it clicks? Right, let's walk down this way. When you press the button, the whole camera light goes like this. Right, I think what we might do. I think what we'll do is just get you guys sat on one of the steps there. That's perfect, you guys. Just nice and close together. Let's get this. Oh, I think you stood on it. Oh, sorry. That's all right. Perfect. Oh, that's lovely, guys. I say it's lovely. Again, I don't even know if it's straight. I feel like I need to have about 10 hands on job. So from now on, I think I might do a little oink when I take a picture. Are you ready? This is so brilliant. Right, the battery's going to go, I need to be quick. So this has got some cool modes on. So I think we're going to make you guys a little, Demi, you like cats, don't you? Yeah. Nice little close up. Just want you to just do a little meow. Meow. I missed it.
Does it do a cat filter?
Yeah. Ready? Meow.
Meow.
You get it?
Yeah. And then
God, what am I?
James, you're going to be
These things are promising from your
a little bunny rabbit.
Funny?
Yeah.
Aww.
Is that what bunny noise is?
Aww.
It's literally not even in the right place. And then we're going to make you guys a little Christmas card just to finish off. You might have to be on the same level for this one. Nice and, or maybe we need to separate your heads a little bit. Yeah, that's good. A bit closer together. Ready? Okay, and then after 3, we're gonna say Happy Christmas. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Go on, 1, 2, 3. I missed it again. We need to get this right, guys. There we go. Right, I think we're done. We've got Demi and James a Christmas card. I'll save the photos for later. So yeah, shall I just have a quick look here? Get rid of, oh, I'm just taking pictures of nothing now. Oh, yeah, guys, if you want to pop over this way, we'll try out that lens flare again. Oh yeah, got a nice little. Tell you what, who needs bushes when you've got a bush filter? If you guys can just pop yourselves here for me. Just nice and close together, facing each other. That's perfect. That's it. That's perfect, guys. Yeah, Demi, just facing this way a little bit. Guys, I'm just going to bring you just here if that's all right. I don't know why I'm paying so much attention because this literally doesn't matter at all. That's nice. Yeah, perfect. So this is basically me shooting through bushes with a bush filter. I don't know why we'll I don't know what's going on. Oh dear. And then we'll just have one more. What should we have this time? We'll just have a nice one. There we go. And then, yeah, just looking down, Demi. That's beautiful. And then one last little, make these guys a little picture. There we go. They can't really be that, can they? What can they be?
There's an option.
Yeah, there we go. You're now in the desert. Amazing. Well, I think we've exhausted the little pig camera, but to be honest, the battery's actually nearly dead and I've only charged it up before we started. So, can you use a pig camera for a photo shoot? I think the answer is no. It's brilliant though, definitely worth a go. So thank you so much for watching, and might make some more like this because it was quite good fun. Thank you. See you soon. Bye. Bye. I was saying like I'm on a telephone. Oh, don't need to do the outro again. But yeah, it gets better. It gets better. Hey!
I thought I was going to have a genuine castle for the little cute cat news. Not just like
and then, oh, where's it
Let me
going?
show a buddy one.
Here we go. Where are they? Oh, come back. You're in the desert. How good's that?
Oh, that's quite nice.
Your Christmas card one's the best. Oh, that's the bushes. Bushes is your Christmas card. I don't even think we got one.
Oh, that's going to be my screensaver.
I think that's the best one. Oh, my stomach's hurting. Right.